Fierce focus. Eagles have an unwavering focus on their prey, and they pursue it relentlessly. Similarly, humans can be successful by developing a fierce focus on their goals and dedicating themselves to achieving them. Sharp vision. Eagles have incredibly sharp vision, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. Humans can benefit from developing their own clarity of vision, both in terms of their goals and the steps required to achieve them. Fearlessness. Eagles are fearless predators, unafraid to take on even the most daunting prey. Humans can achieve success by cultivating a similar sense of fearlessness, taking risks and facing challenges head-on. Resilience. Eagles are able to endure harsh weather and difficult conditions, demonstrating an impressive level of resilience. Similarly, humans can achieve success by developing their own resilience, learning to persevere in the face of setbacks and obstacles. Adaptability. Eagles are adaptable creatures, able to adjust their hunting strategies to fit changing conditions. Humans can benefit from developing their own adaptability, learning to pivot and adjust their strategies in response to changing circumstances. Independence. Eagles are fiercely independent creatures, able to hunt and survive on their own. Humans can achieve success by developing a similar level of independence, taking responsibility for their own lives and pursuing their goals with determination. Speed. Eagles are incredibly fast, able to swoop down on prey with lightning speed. Humans can benefit from developing their own speed and agility, both in terms of physical movement and mental processing. Strategic thinking. Eagles are strategic hunters, able to plot their approach to prey with precision. Humans can achieve success by developing their own strategic thinking skills, learning to analyze problems and develop effective solutions. Self-awareness. Eagles are highly attuned to their own bodies and surroundings, allowing them to navigate their environment with precision. Humans can achieve success by developing their own sense of self-awareness, learning to recognize their own strengths and weaknesses and make informed decisions accordingly. Persistence. Eagles are persistent hunters, able to continue pursuing their prey even when faced with setbacks. Developing their own persistence, learning to stay committed to their goals even in the face of adversity.